Hey, Ray.
Yeah,
You
John.
know, you know what time it is?
What time is it, John?
Time to load my MetaMask wallet with a little Ethereum.
Little Ethereum. Hey, we like Ethereum, John.
You know, so I just want to let everybody know I'm going to be using my little
Your MetaMask.
my MetaMask, but I call it my little wolf. You
It's
see
your
my
little.
little wolf in the upper right hand corner?
Yeah.
I'm going to be using Google Chrome because that's my favorite
Oh,
go-to.
there's a problem. You got to open it up, expand it, because we can't see it. Just letting you know. I know how you can make it larger, right?
Right, we're going to do it right now. Hit the expand view. Can you see it?
We got it.
Okay, guys. Now don't get jelly because there's so much in ETH in there. It's not that much money. Calm down. Okay. I did have a few more things. I moved them around a little bit. Don't worry about it. But hey, you know what? I want to buy some Ethereum, and let's see how easy it is. We're gonna hit buy.
There you go.
Okay. So
That's
now I want to explain why I'm choosing PayPal.
PayPal, you're going to buy it on PayPal, right? You see, even too, they're going to KYC, and that means know your customer. And when he goes to PayPal, it's going to ask kind of the same thing. Might even ask you your social security number to KYC and make sure.
Oh, Ray, look what it's asking.
Your phone number. Look at, there you go. Right.
It's sending me a code. Hold on, Ray.
There you go.
It could watch this. I need to get a code. Send me the code.
And we know it comes on your phone. It's a little text message.
Oh, did you hear it, Ray?
I did. Got the buzz.
Okay, here's my code. Make sure you blank this out. This is the top code.
I'll edit this part.
It's top secret, Ray. Okay, it's gonna pick a bank. I need you to block that out. So it's gonna give me a check mark.
Yep.
Right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to buy some crypto right here in front of you live.
Now, real quick, let me jump in, John. Normally,
Go ahead, brother.
Sometimes, now, he's already did the KYC just recently, right? He just bought some crypto because that's FOMO. FOMO is FOMO. He's always buying crypto. So, he's already KYC very recently. So, normally, between that step and this step, you're going to see where it's going to ask your address, your name. It will, your what? Your social security even?
Yes,
Again,
we'll have social security. You don't have you have to have a PayPal account.
You are on PayPal.com. Okay, so it's normal. So now you would be here, and now you hit buy and send, FOMO.
And then I want to let you know what you were talking about real quick. Look at up here what you were talking about. See the PayPal.com right there?
That's right.
We're on PayPal.com. So right now, I'm going to hit
buy and send. Let's see it. Bam! Look at you.
Look at this.
0.05 ETH is heading to MetaMask. I like it.
I woke up this morning and I wasn't in the mood to buy some Ethereum. I'm getting in the mood to buy some.
All of a sudden, FOMO is getting some ETH.
I'm FOMOing into buying some Ethereum.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm here to show you how easy it is. Use PayPal.
Yes.
And it seems I'm getting the circle. We're not doing anything yet.
It's all good. That takes time. Like I said, I mean, this is all blockchain stuff. It's literally buying. And that's another good thing. When you downloaded MetaMask, you just downloaded a decentralized wallet, right? Everything that you buy in this wallet, it's yours. You have self-custody of these assets. And again, huge differences between Coinbase, Gemini, things like that. You are in self-custody when you have your assets on MetaMask. And literally, it's sitting on the Ethereum blockchain because he's buying Ethereum. So, Web3 is coming and everything. Web3 is going to be using things like this MetaMask wallet. Obviously, people will be making other tools, but MetaMask is a Web3 wallet, and you need to start getting used to using it, right?
There it was. Look, I hit reset. Look, transaction successful. Got $104 in my account. Okay, it transferred. View all order.
Now you're all set, right? So when the influencer that you follow is going to drop these codes, you're already. And when they drop the code, you're going to connect this MetaMask to monstermy.city.
Hey, I know it's going to sound crazy. Do you want to go over there for a second?
Check it out. Do it. Do monstermy.city.
Okay, let's go, guys. We're going to go. This is top secret. This is top. I didn't even know we were going here. We're going here.
This is spur of the moment. Look, I go up to a mint.
Right here?
Yes, that one. Mint.
It should say heaven right here. That's what it should say. Ho!
Look at that. Look at that. That looks
Look,
nice. Oh, look. Got people just minting over there to the left. Hopetown.
right here. Hopetown has just been claimed. Hopetown contributed $50 to the DMF. Look at this.
But over here, let's jump over there, John, because right there is the code to summon, right?
So right here, where it says code to summon, I'm moving my mouse. Can you see that?
That's it.
So I'll put in a code, which is
yeah, it won't be like that. It'll probably be a four digit, maybe 5 digits. That's right.
It might be this. Ray. I could give a top secret one coming out.
No, it's not.
Could that be one?
Ray Light, that's one. It could be.
Could that be one?
So what you would do if he just did that? It's not a real code right now. You would hit search for portal, and what this is literally going to do is go out into the Ethereum blockchain, and it's searching for an NFT that has been placed on the Ethereum blockchain. It's like seriously like an Easter egg hunt. And out of these, and you see them, these capsules. There's an 84% chance you can get a P3, a tier 3, which is green, a tier 2, which is 15%. You could get to that, and that's a captain, and then a 0.48% chance you get you a nice gold there, John.
Now remember what we were talking about earlier. Just to remind everybody, when you're here under browse the cities, you still have to dress your monster, but you can actually press select a monster.
Yes.
You can actually go to a country, and where are you? I'm from Italy. Let's just Italy for a second. Let's just go to Italy.
But that you said that's after they mint, right? So they got to mint.
After you mint, but as
and
you're searching, it says browse the cities.
Yes.
You want to see if it's available. So if you know it's available and you find one, you got to get it named.
Yes, you do quickly.
Let's go to the hey, everybody loves a little Bologna.
Bologna.
And then maybe you select the city in Bologna. Oh, there's only one city in Bologna. We're getting out of Bologna.
That's all right. Let's get one though. Let's just so we get there,
Yeah, we're not Bologna. We're choosing.
Well, you're not minting one anyway, so it's all good.
It's showing you this.
Right.
Once your monster is summoned, click here to claim the city and customize it.
There you go.
That's as easy as that. You're searching for the monster. It comes in as a shadow, and then you browse the city. You get the one you want. You claim it. You customize it. It's a win-win.
And what's crazy, seriously, there's only one city that you can claim. Right? Once he gets this city, it's not available again. Right? These NFTs, these NFTs are geo-tagged. Right? You are going to get longitude, latitude. They are literally tagged to the coordinations.
Let's make it interesting a little bit. Let's go to the United States. Let's go to, look at this. Chinada Lake is available.
There you go.
If we chose it right now and I wanted that, it would be that simple. That's all. That's it, Ray.
And that's how you do it. It's pretty simple of how you kind of, but this is all cool. Like, no one other NFT in this space does this kind of stuff, right? You can't.
No.
And also what you'll see is you're going to dress the monster. You get to put the traits on him. The hats, the shirts, whatever he's got for necklaces, all those different things. You're going to be able to dress the monster and put whatever you think he should have or wear. And then you also get to choose the city. Very cool project. Never seen it.
One more thing? Can I do one more thing, Ray? Can you give me the room? Just one more thing.
Yeah.
Where all my party DJs at? Let's go! Oh, come on, guys. JPEG's got you down? We thought you may need a boost, and that's why we came prepared. Whoa, man. A Web3 portal? Where did you get a Web3 portal door? This is Easy Fit. Come in. Are you in position?
Oh, yeah!
Let's go!
10-4, little buddy. It's a go for Operation Party Protocol.
Yo, Ace, what's up? And here we go.
And that's what I'm talking about, John. So
that's
a great way to end it, and I appreciate everybody taking a look and watching this. Thank you, John, for sharing your screen, brother.
Ray.
And going through the process, my man.
You got it, bro. Everybody have a beautiful night.
All right. Thanks.